Hey everybody, this is Joric. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Please click subscribe when you can. Helps me out greatly. It also helps get the videos out to more people. You know how the algorithm goes, who might be interested in moving to Portugal on a short-term or permanent basis. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. It's about EDP, the letters EDP, which is electric and gas setup in Lisbon, Portugal. So as I go through this, you'll see screenshots from the website EDP as far as how to sign up. Pretty simple. In the pre-pandemic world, you called in and got it set up. Now you can call in and do that. They also have the option to do it online. We choose to try to speak to someone, even though we might wait 15-20 minutes to get a hold of someone. We want to make sure that we're getting the right information, giving them the right information and whatnot. But you can certainly do all this online. What you need for the gas and electric setup here in Lisbon is your NIF, most important, as I've done videos and you've probably seen other videos and posts about it. It's what everybody needs. It's kind of your lifeline here. Your name, your address, of course, where they're going to be setting that up, your email and phone number, some sort of contact information for you. Usually it's your phone number. So once you have all that, you can sign up online and get things going, or when you call, you can set up a date. Usually that date can be anywhere from, well, today, if you're calling today, right now, within 24 hours. We haven't heard of anybody that has come to Portugal where it's taken longer than that to get things transitioned. One thing that I want to be clear and make sure that you're aware of when it comes to your electric and gas setup. We have an apartment building here with 12 apartments. Some have gas, some have electric. We were hoping for gas. Didn't know that that was even an option in our building until we saw a gas line after we moved in. But that's something when you're looking for apartments and house hunting, you may want to make sure that you know what you're getting into one way or the other, if you prefer gas or electric. But with that, know the wattage, because something that can come up often is what you're paying in your price for your electric services or gas services is based upon what the previous renter or owner has paid for those same services. So where I'm going with that is if you've added anything, and I don't mean like laptops or electronics, but if you've added a new stove, a microwave, a dishwasher, a washing machine, in our case, we had all of those, and it kind of looked like the previous owner had those, but we had AC and air added, or heat added. Because of that, our bills were a little bit out of whack. And the thing we found out was it was tripping the breaker, because all of a sudden we'd be making dinner, watching TV, and boom, power goes out. What happened? And it's because the power was kind of set, or the energy, to what the previous owner had, not in consideration of us adding equipment. So that if you are signing up for the first time, you may want to call them versus email and let EDP know, here's all the stuff we have in the apartment. What do you think is going to be the type of energy that we need to be able to utilize that? Even with that, it might be trial by error, and you might have a couple of tripped breakers one night where you have to call them and add additional energy to your service. That's fine. In our case, we kind of learned the hard way, so we're hoping that you can avoid that, and that's why I made this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. I will have more of these videos coming up in rapid fire over the next couple of weeks, and have yourself a great day. Thank you.